Which word is incorrect in its sentence? With a question like this one, where we're being asked to select a single word that's incorrect, the first thing we want to do is see if there are any homophones among our choices. As a quick review, homophones refers to two or more words that sound the same when spoken but are written differently and have different meanings, for example, for or whale. And indeed, we see two homophones in our choices, by and current. Let's start by taking a closer look at these two choices. By, spelled by, has many definitions. So many, in fact, that it actually makes more sense to try and eliminate the other spellings of the word first. Spelled buy, it means to purchase, and spelled bye, it's a shortened, more casual version of goodbye. Let's take a look at our sentence to see which spelling would be appropriate here. A further reduction to 100% by 2035 effectively means that all new cars registered from that year onward must be zero-emission vehicles. Because we can see that they want the reduction to go to 100% by 2035, it doesn't make sense to be talking about goodbye or purchasing here. And as no later than is one of the definitions of by spelled by, we can see that the spelling here is correct and this choice can be marked off. Let's take a look at our other homophone, current. Current, spelled currant, is a kind of berry. Spelled current, it means up to date. With this in mind, let's take a look at our sentence to determine the appropriate spelling. The new 2030 goal would be a significant leap from the current EU target of cutting emissions from new cars by 37.5%, which was only set in December of 2018. From our context, we can see that the target of cutting emissions from new cars by 37.5% is the present goal of the EU. Adding to this the fact that we don't see fruit being mentioned here in any capacity, we can see that our spelling should be with an E, not an A. Because this word is incorrect in its sentence, we can mark choice C as our final answer.